Slowly comes the winter frost, overtakes the valley, clinging to the earth until the spring breaks free. Under the ever watchful eye of the Maker, the life asleep inside the ground awakens.
So where are we going, Doctor?
Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. I'm really excited that I got to share this opportunity to travel to Iceland in summer with a couple friends. It was definitely a memorable trip, and this was a little, highlight of my trip. This was one of the places that I always dreamed and admired of, and with the pandemic and everything going on, it was great to get the opportunity to fly out and explore pretty much. This is actually the first time I'm actually talking in front of a camera. Pretty camera shy, and I'm not really a talker as much, more of a behind the scenes and behind the camera instead of in front. But I figured that this video and this channel and my past videos should be a great example of what this channel is, to take risks and to showcase my skills and my filmmaking skills. So why not show who is the person behind the camera as well? So I guess this is a jump start to my YouTube channel and just in general of content creating. So I'm excited to share more content with you guys with new camera gear, and recently just got into the new iPhone, so that's also coming up next as a video. But thank you again for viewing my video, and hope to share more in the future. Peace out.